Okay, here you are. If you are researching the Legacy Builders program, you are probably asking, is the Legacy Builders program a scam? Is the Legacy Builders program, worth it? And what about the new Legacy Builders program 2026, the bundle pack edition? So let me be very clear right away. This is not a scam review, and this is not going to be a hype video. I know you are interested in the Legacy Builders program, but you haven't started just yet. Honestly, it's a perfect timing and lucky for you because this week I am offering something you will not find anywhere else online. I guarantee it. I'm talking about, over $6,000 in done-for-you setup, one-on-one coaching bonuses designed to turn the Legacy Builders program into a real multiple income stream ready to sell online business. Not just another course, sitting in your dashboard. But before I show you everything here on screen, we need to be real for a moment. Most people who join the Legacy Builders program or any solid online program still struggle. Why? Not because the program is bad. Matter of fact, the Legacy Builders program is actually one of the best programs out there today. But here is what usually happens. When people join, and especially newbies, they get actually the same funnels and same templates as everyone else. They are also dropped into a community with thousands of people. There is no one-on-one coaching, no personal branding. And if you are new to this online thing, it could take you actually weeks, if not months, to get started. So that's exactly why 90% of people fail online. They get overwhelmed. They spend weeks trying to set things up, figuring out, tech, second guessing everything. I've seen it happen over and over. And eventually they quit. So the issue isn't the Legacy Builders program or any other programs you join today. So the real question is, do you want to be up and running this week or months from now? Do you want one-on-one help or being thrown in a group chat? Do you want your own branding, your own bonuses, and the real edge instead of blending in with everyone else? Because if you don't have those things in place right away, you are going to be swimming with sharks while you are still a small fish. And that's what I come in, because the last thing you want right now is to join someone who is still trying to figure things out. The opportunity is huge. There are millions, if not billions of people today looking to start an online business and break away from their 9-to-5 jobs. And they are ready to go and ready to say yes to you and hand you over their credit cards, but only if you are strategic about how you start. And that's why I created my 2026, kickoff offer. I call it the Legacy Builders Program Power Deal. Get a complete business, not just the program. And this is the exact bridge between buying a program and actually owning a business from day one. So if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can shortcut months of frustration and start with everything already built for you. Okay, so let me switch and share my screen with you and show you and walk you through what I have built for you step by step. Okay, so you are on this page right now. Underneath this video, you got two choices here, okay? Let me first show you the standard package when you join the Legacy Builders program at the $900 level. You're gonna get from me 3 bonuses here. So the first bonus in this standard package, you are going to get a complete done-for-you launch system. I will build your foundation from scratch, from zero. You get a done-for-you legacy install and tech setup, $597 value. You get a Stripe merchant account, approval and integration, that's worth $197. You get a Pro Authority website and domains worth $497. I actually built an official website for you that has nothing to do with the Legacy Builders program, so I can get you approved for merchant accounts. Because most people don't get approved for merchant accounts because they don't have an official website. Plus, you get 50 automated emails with the system, that follow ups automatically with your customers and clients. All right. So this is for the first bonus, worth about $1,500. Now, the second bonus here, I call it the Instant Authority Package. This is crucial and very important bonus, and no one out there is actually offering such a thing. You are going to get it from me ready to go and installed, because you cannot send people directly to the Legacy Builders program. You need to actually brand yourself and send them over to you first. That's worth about $500. And you are going to also get with the system the white label right to my full bonus vault. What does this mean? It means basically done for you bonuses. When you're offering people done for you stuff, you are going to be different. Plus, you're going to get my 6-figure YouTube SEO strategy, $297. Video editing blueprint, worth $197. So total value right now is about $1,300. The third bonus is amazing. Launch, coaching, and support. Once everything is installed, we will be spending some time together like this, video, one-on-one coaching on how to launch everything. You get at least 4 plus implementation video calls with me. You get also access to my private members vault access. Let me show it to you. It's right here. Only for my students and clients. The membership area has everything's already recorded. Step-by-step client onboarding. When you get a client, I show you exactly step-by-step how to onboard your clients. And social proof plus video testimonials. Video testimonials from my own students in the Legacy Builders program and own members. You get that on your page as well. Plus, I will record a video with you to feature you in your system. Okay? Now you are fully branded, launched, done for your bonuses, access to private membership area. Plus, you're going to get also another bonus here, which is the full tech stack reveal. I'm going to reveal the tools I'm using in my business, how I do things, basically. Okay? So now we get all these 3 in this standard package. Total value, $4,361. All included in this package. You pay nothing for any of this. You join the Legacy Builders program at the $900 level, you get everything here. But here is a smarter move, in my opinion. This is what I did for myself too, okay? This is what most students are doing right now for 2026. They are actually getting the premium bundle, which is unlocks the Spanish market. I'm talking about an audience that most affiliates completely ignore. There are more than 500 million Spanish speakers in the world, if not more, if I'm not mistaken, and you don't even need to speak Spanish to actually sell them that bundle. They're looking for actually a Spanish version, and that's what the bundle is all about, okay? And it's selling for $1,400, and it just got released. It allows you to sell both packages, just like I do. Now you can earn $900 and $1,400 per sale. You're not limited from the same business, okay? Let's do some math here. 72 clients at $1,400, that puts you in 6 figures. Just 6 clients per month. It's insane. And you can do more than that. No extra tech, no extra funnels, no extra work. Let me show you what you get with that bundle. I call it the Premium Agency Scale Bundle. Exclusive bonuses. Basically, you get a complete dual offer business system. You get 2 full delivery systems for your $900 package. Plus, you get also one for your $1,400 offers, because different funnels, right? And bonuses. So you're going to get all that from me installed. Your investment is going to be only $1,400. And you get basically a complete done for you agency system installation. 2 complete business systems, fully built and installed for you. I will set it up. I will set up your $900 standard package first, delivery funnel, and your bilingual $1,400 premium bundle sales and delivery system. So you launch with a dual offer agency ready to accept clients immediately. Okay, that's the first bonus you can see on screen here. Second one is StreamYard. This is new. StreamYard Authority Blueprint. Okay, value $497. The first one actually is valued about $697. The second one is $497. Basically, I show you and I coach you how to go from camera shy to a confident lead generation authority. I'll coach you personally on using StreamYard. So to record high impact content, you can present like a pro, no expensive gear needed, okay? Just one tool. I show you exactly how I do it and how you can onboard your clients and coach them and deliver everything in one tool instead of Mickey Mousing with Zoom, paying for this tool, paying for that tool. You don't need any of that. You're going to clone everything I do, all right? Not only my systems and funnels and bonuses and branding, even how I operate, all right? So the third one is accelerated scaling strategy. Get 3 hours additional of dedicated one-on-one scale up, one-on-one video scale up coaching focused on growth. We will map your first 90 days, build a simple content engine, and create a clear plan to constantly, attract your first 6 clients per month. So that's $297 value. And priority launch support, you get that too, because you are in the bundle. I'll give you exclusive screen share support sessions, not only email and text, you get that too. No one wants to be on a video support one-on-one. Everyone wants to sell you a program or a business or whatever. After that, they walk away. They tell you to send them an email if you have a question. I got the email for you. I got the text message, and you get an extra video call from me. So last here, fast action bonus. This is a killer, by the way. You're going to clone my 2026 power deal offer. Basically, everything you see on this page right now, you're going to get that. To jumpstart your business instantly with my fully built 2026 power deal sales page. Okay, that took me weeks to design. As you can see, this is not easy stuff. Okay, it converts. People love it. Okay, you get the exact page, copy, and structure I used to sell the legacy builders packages, cloned for you in your own account in Systemi. Everything is installed, branded, and ready to launch. So you skip the setup, save months of trial and error, and start converting immediately, my friend. You're gonna look different than anyone else out there. All right. So total value right now for both the standard and the premium, $6,346. Matter of fact, let me say this to you. Since you are going to get access to this membership area here, I will be adding behind the scene bonuses that are not announced yet. This is coming. If you need to hear what others are saying about me, go ahead and watch these videos. Okay, these are my real customers. And be careful out there. Be careful out there, because you're gonna see some people saying, "Hey, listen, I got some testimonials here," but they are coming from a ChatGPT, written fake testimonials. I'm showing you here real video testimonials from clients. Okay, so let me actually play, a quick video here from Donald, one of my clients, and he is a Legacy Builders Program member with me in my group. You can watch all the other videos on this page for your, if you want to make sure that you are in the right group. Let's hear what Donald's saying. How is your first session on onboarding so far? Since the minute you contacted me and you signed up with the Legacy Builders Program, how is your experience with me so far?
To be honest with you, it's a little bit better than I expected. In fact, a lot better than I expected. One of the reasons that I went with you was because of you, number one. Number two, the perks that you offered. But something you said in one of your videos really resonated with me, and that is the help that you were going to give me. And I kept thinking, it doesn't matter if I'm getting the same course from someone else. It doesn't matter if I got the biggest Ferrari or biggest car in the driveway. If I have no gas to get anywhere, how am I going to get it out of the driveway? So, you walking me through step by step, and it's been a godsend. I don't know how long this would have taken me to do if I had done it on my own.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here. You can watch all these videos, and you get some answers, questions and answers here I got for you. You can go through them, and if you want to join, you can click on these buttons here. Very easy. If you want to go for the 900, this is the first button. It's going to take you straight to the 900 checkout. So there's no, hoops. And then if you decided to go with everything on this page, you get the standard plus the premium. You basically can use these buttons here. It will take you there right away, and you just pay for the $1,400. And by the way, everything you see I'm showing you right now is going to be cloned to you. So, as you can see, it's a very professional system. Let me show you also inside the Legacy Builders Program Bundle Pack Edition. Looks beautiful, by the way. You get access to all that, but you don't have to go through any of the installation because I'm doing everything for you. But however, you can take advantage of the AI lessons here are amazing. I've gone through them myself. Community is right here. Also, as you can see, I am right there. You can see me right here. I just want to say this to you. No matter who to join, okay? But make sure you get at least, done for your stuff and one-on-one coaching like I'm doing right now here with everybody, all right? Make sure you get that. And be careful out there, because some people are actually just started with the Legacy Builders Program, just actually started online. They have no experience yet, and they are trying to sell you the program. They have no clients yet. So just be careful with that, all right? With that being said, I wish you the best luck. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. All my information is on this page. So I hope to see you in my group. Let's start making money together.